Right. I need to go and try this out. See, I told you, look at the state of this. We got the little nozzle on. Ooh. See that in there? Sorry, you may not have heard me. This little bit in here. Try and push it in. Do you know what? That is not bad if you want a little once over, is it? I'll tell you what. I thought it was going to be shit. It's actually not that bad, is it? And then I'm assuming you just... Look. This. There. Got it all out. Look at that. Well, I thought I was going to be underwhelmed by that, and that's actually going to go in my glove compartment, because that's very handy to have. That's very handy.